Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use your welder. First thing we need to talk about is safety. So in order to be safe while welding, you're going to need a pair of safety glasses. You're also going to need some welding gloves. This is going to protect your arms and your hands. The next thing you're going to need is a welding helmet. The preferred shield is going to be a 10 or a 12. That's going to protect you from the brightness of the weld. Next thing you're going to need is a welding jacket. And in order to weld, you're going to need a piece of metal and something to clean it with. For this purpose, we're going to use a wire brush. You're also going to need a welder. Specifically, this is a MIG welder. It's going to be a flux core wire, so you can weld with that. Let's get dressed. All right, so as you can see, this is a handy MIG welder. There's a few different settings you'll notice. You'll have an on-off button. You'll have a wire speed control. You also have a high and low amperage, and you'll have a 1 and 2 amperage as well. These two are actually going to control how strong your weld is and how hot the weld will get. These are going to be used to alter based on the thickness of the metal. So, coming over to the side, on most of your welders, you're going to have a chart. The chart's going to break down the thickness of the weld, the wire speed that you need for that thickness of the weld, and also the heat range. Alright, so we set up a welder based on the thickness of the metal we're going to be welding on. First thing you want to do is you want to clean your metal. I've already done so using the wire brush. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ground clamp, and this is going to allow electricity to flow through the piece of metal you're going to weld on. So in order to weld, you're going to weld using your welding gun. As you pull this trigger here, your wire begins to feed out, and as long as it's making connection with the metal, it's going to begin to weld. The first thing you want to do is you want to go 90-degree angle on the weld, and then in the direction you're going to travel, which we're going to travel from left to right, we're going to push the weld at a 15-degree angle. So I'm going to turn my welder on and we'll begin. So again, begin your weld at a 90-degree angle, and in the direction you travel, lean that way 15 degrees. And when you're ready to begin, pull the trigger.